In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change column width on Wix Studio. To get started, open your design in Wix Studio and make sure you are inside the editor, where you can clearly see the layout you want to work on. If your page is built using sections or grids, this is where you'll be making your column width adjustments. Changing column widths is a simple way to improve spacing, make content easier to read, and give your overall design a cleaner, more balanced appearance. The first method is adjusting the columns manually right on the canvas. This is a great option if you want a fast, visual way to resize things and immediately see how the layout responds. Begin by clicking the section or grid that contains the columns you want to change. Once that area is selected, move your cursor over the grid line, which is the divider between the columns. Pause for a moment and wait for the cursor to change into a double-sided arrow. That change is important because it confirms that Wix Studio is ready for you to resize the columns. Once you see that, click and drag the divider left or right to adjust the widths. As you move it, the columns will resize in real time, making it much easier to judge the spacing visually. This drag method is especially useful when you want to experiment with proportions and quickly decide what looks best. If one column feels too narrow, or if another looks too wide, just drag the line again until the spacing feels more natural and balanced. It's a very intuitive way to fine-tune your layout without needing to enter exact values right away. If you need more precise control, the second method is to use the inspector panel. Start by clicking the specific column or cell that you want to adjust, then go to the inspector panel on the right side of the Studio editor. Inside that panel, navigate to the layout settings. From there, click on Columns. In this area, you will see the list of your columns. And this is where you can enter percentage values for each one to control their widths more accurately. Using percentages is helpful when you want a more exact layout or when you are trying to keep your design consistent across the page. If you are aiming for a polished result, it's a good idea to make small adjustments and watch how the content sits inside each column. Focus on readability, alignment, and overall balance as you work. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.